A great deal of thanks, my dear learners, for joining today class. How are you? Certainly, all of you are very good and staying in your home very safely. As the panic named COVID-19, that means coronavirus, is going on across the country. So, our country is now under lockdown. However, today I will discuss about conditional sentence. As you know, conditional sentence types of three: first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. I will arrange a structure first, then I will give you example. Let's see first conditional. First conditional, as you know, my dear students, every conditional has two parts. I will give you to arrange a structure of first conditional. If plus subject plus verb 1, that means base form, present form, plus extension. This is the first part of first conditional. Let's see next part. Subject plus will oblique can oblique may plus verb 1 plus extension. This is the next part of first conditional. Subject plus will or can or may plus verb 1 plus extension. Let's see example. If we beneath we can free from any virus. This is the example of past conditional. If we beneath, we can free from any virus. Now, my dear students, let's see second conditional. First, I will arrange structure of second conditional. If plus subject plus verb 2, that means verb past form plus extension. This is the first part of second conditional. Now, let's see next part of second conditional. Subject plus would, could, might plus verb 1 plus extension. This is the structure of second conditional. Let's see again the structure. If plus subject plus verb 2 plus extension. Next part, subject plus would or could or might plus verb 1 plus extension. Now let's see, my dear students, the example. If meme were a landlord, he could assist the needy. If meme were a landlord, he could assist the needy. This is the example of second conditional. Second conditional sentence. Now the rest is third conditional. Let's see, my dear students. Similarly, we have to arrange first the structure of third conditional. If plus subject plus head plus verb 3, that means past participle plus extension. Then next part, subject plus would, could, might plus have plus verb 3 plus extension. This is the structure of third conditional. Now let's see example. Third conditional. If they had earned much money they could have been very happy. This is the example of third conditional. If they had earned much money, they could have been very happy. Now, my dear students, meanwhile, we have discussed about first conditional, second conditional, and the rest is third conditional. The structure with example we completed now. Now I will give you some exercise on these three conditional as homework for tomorrow class. If you become a doctor, dot dot dot, we could do this work properly. If we had done this task well, let's say again the students, the homework. If you become a doctor, dot dot dot, you have to answer. Next part, number 2, dot dot dot, we could do this work properly. Number 3, if we had done this task well, dot dot dot, you have to make it. Now, my dear students, hopefully saying by following these 3 rules, you can do better, as I long for your better, my dear students. Now I will give you some advice at the present situation of the country. This is my first advice, my dear learners. You must wash your hands and face before and after you eating. Then you have to put on mask that is sanitary while going out as necessary. This is my advice, my dear learners. Thank you all. All the best.